The mandatory reporting of child abuse bill passed a third reading at the Legislative Council. The bill mandates that 25 categories of specialized professionals must report serious cases of child abuse. Failure to comply will result in criminal charges. The legislation will come into effect 18 months upon the gazetting of the bill. Helen Chen reports.
With
79 votes in favor, the bill passed its third reading at the Legislative Council. The mandatory reporting of child abuse bill stipulates that teachers, social workers, medical staff, and other specified professionals are mandated to make reports of serious cases of child abuse. Non-compliance would incur criminal liability. Obstructing reporting is also illegal. The bill proposes a two-tier penalty system. The first tier incurs a fine of up to $50,000. The second tier incurs imprisonment of up to 3 months. Both leave a criminal record, which will lead to professional disqualification for those convicted. The bill allows for defenses for offense, including if the professional in question had already made reports on the same or substantially the same harm or risk. The only abstention vote was from lawmaker Michael Tien.
In courts, it is often the case that they would hand out very lenient punishment. Before, we have seen that with 3 months, they would only hand out 2 days of imprisonment. For 12 months maximum penalty, they would hand out 9 days of imprisonment.
Some in the education sector are worried about excessive reporting.
So, if we extend the imprisonment from 3 months to 1 year, it will cause panic in among the professionals. They will just report any case. Even if it's a mosquito bite, they will report the case first.
This from Secretary for Labor and Welfare, Chris Sun.
We're going to make use of the coming 18 months to make sure that everything is ready, so that by the time the legislation comes into effect, all the professions who are required under the law to make mandatory reporting, they will get the necessary training, and also they are well equipped to make the reporting as necessary.
Sun said there will be an app and guidelines about reporting mechanism jointly compiled by the social welfare, education, and medical sectors. The guidelines are expected to be issued in the second half of next year. Helen Chen, TVB News.